I've seen people is queuing up, lining up in some the gas dealer chamber, and also I've seen that so people are also making hue and cry about the shortage of the LPG. But so far, my knowledge is gone. I saw that the our government and also the minister in charge for this department, they have taken up this matter with the center also. They have taken up with all the district administration to ensure that people should not face any kind of the shortage of LPG.
In fact, from your side, have you taken up with the center?
Me, I have not taken up. But to be very honest to you, I have not been taken up. But definitely we are going to be taken up. And now we are also surveying the present situations of the shortage of the LPG. So, but will not wait only for that kind of situation, but our responsibility also to talk to the state authority and also the central authority to ensure that people should not face this kind of shortage of LPG in not only on the state of Meghalaya, but in our country as well.